Guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the fully working Tachiyomi on your phone, no jailbreak or computer needed. So this fully works on iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first things first, guys, we need to go to this website called HexMods. Once we're there, we're just going to find the Tachiyomi, press on it, press the download button, and it should download, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane. And if you go to the App Store and type it in, you can see it is not even on here. So let me just type it in. Let me just type it in, Tachiyomi. As you can see, guys, it is not on here. It's just all these fake ones, which are not the real app. So be sure to go ahead and try this out, guys. It's fully working. And all you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and go to this website. So be sure to get the word out. It's super awesome. This fully works, guys. So yeah, this is the website right here. Then we're just going to go to the search bar and just type it in. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, pretty cool stuff. I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is pretty cool. So be sure to get the word out if you're needing this fully working Tachiyomi, guys. So as you can see, it fully works. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. This is super cool, guys, and it's totally updated and everything like that. So hope you guys enjoyed. But yeah, all you gotta do is go to this HexMods website. So yeah, try it out for yourself. It's super awesome, and yeah, it fully works. So be sure to get the word out, guys, because it is super cool. And this is totally updated and everything like that. So yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. It totally works. So yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. Totally working method. And yeah, it's updated and everything like that. So be sure to try it out for yourself just so more people know about the method. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel and peace out, gang. This is super cool.